I have something absolutely mind-blowing and incredible to share with you today. The future of dentistry is here now. How often have you sat in the dentist chair and just despising getting drilling done on your teeth for a cavity or for a filling? Let me introduce to you the Lite Touch Laser. The Lite Touch Laser uses laser energy that can actually penetrate into tooth enamel and remove decay. It is faster and it is far more painless than sitting through a drill. It also has other incredible features, and what I predominantly use it for is the removal of porcelain restorations. Most of what I do every day is cosmetic dentistry, and half of those folks coming in to see me have veneers that were done somewhere else. It didn't turn out right for whatever reason, usually too big, too chiclety, too thick and white, and I can actually use this laser in a matter of seconds to remove the veneers without any trauma to the teeth, without any additional drilling. And this has completely changed it because I've been able to take off a mouthful of veneers in literally a matter of minutes. It's totally changed the game of how we're able to do dentistry safely and more effectively for people. And I'm so excited that we have this option available.